Live the Florida lifestyle. Located behind the gates of the sought-after Esplanade by Siesta Key, a beautifully appointed 3-bedroom, 3-bath residence with den and extended lanai, showcasing the highly desirable Lazio VII floor plan with tranquil water views. Curb appeal is enhanced by a striking stone façade, an expansive paver driveway, and lush landscaping supported by an automated sprinkler system with reclaimed water, along with ground maintenance, all included in the HOA. Step inside to discover an open-concept design ideal for both entertaining and everyday living, highlighted by new luxury vinyl flooring throughout main living area. The casual yet elegant kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring upgraded cabinetry with hidden hinges, decorative dentil molding, soft close sliding drawers, granite countertops, a large gathering island, stainless steel appliances, double ovens, and a natural gas cooktop. This home offers 3 newly updated bathrooms, thoughtfully designed for modern living with high-end finishes and outstanding features. Additional upgrades include low-E double-pane windows for energy efficiency, hurricane shutters, and Kevlar hurricane panels for the lanai and front door, providing peace of mind and easy storm preparedness. Recent improvements include new exterior waterproof paint, a new AC system with UV light, a whole house carbon water filtration system, and a reverse osmosis system under the kitchen sink. Elegant architectural details abound, including tray ceilings, tall interior doors, plantation shutters, and crown molding. The spacious primary suite features an oversized walk-in closet with custom built-in cabinetry. Perfectly situated just minutes from premier shopping, dining, and world-class entertainment, and only a short drive to the powdery sands of Siesta Key Beach, this meticulously maintained home offers luxury, comfort, and location in one remarkable package.